In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an admin to your Wix website. This process allows you to grant specific permissions to collaborators, making it easier to effectively manage your website with a team. Let's walk through these steps together and ensure you have the right administrative support on your site. First, we begin by accessing the Wix dashboard. This is where all your website management takes place. Once you're logged into your Wix account, head over to the Setup section. Here, you can oversee and customize all essential configurations for your site. The dashboard is designed to be intuitive, but take some time to familiarize yourself with the general layout if you're new to Wix. Next, you're going to locate the Site Actions section. This can be found directly within your dashboard. Once you click on it, a drop-down menu will appear with multiple options for managing your website. This menu is pivotal for accessing various settings, and today it will serve as our first step toward adding an admin. Within the Site Actions, you'll see an option labeled Invite Collaborators. Clicking on this will open a new window. This is where you'll input information for the individuals you wish to have administrative access. This tool is especially useful for teams as it allows multiple users to work on the same project with distinct roles and permissions. In this new window, you'll need to enter the email address of the individual you want to invite as an admin. Make sure that you've input their email correctly. Otherwise, your invitation could get lost or delayed. It's often a good idea to check with the person in advance to ensure you're using their preferred contact email. After entering the email address, you'll need to select the appropriate role for this person. Locate the section titled Select Roles. Wix provides a variety of roles, each with different permissions and access levels. For administrative purposes, you're looking to assign the role of admin. Once you find the admin checkbox, go ahead and select it. Choosing this role gives the individual broad access to manage the site, including editing pages, managing settings, and monitoring site activity. It's crucial to only assign this role to trusted team members or partners. With the admin role selected, you are nearly finished. The final step is to click on Send Invite. This action sends an email invitation to the person you've designated, granting them the permissions associated with the admin role. They'll receive instructions in their email on how to accept the invitation and begin their administrative duties on your Wix website. That's all there is to it. Adding an admin to your Wix site is a straightforward process that can greatly enhance your site's functionality by enabling collaborative management. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and good luck with managing your Wix site.